Ready, start. Five complaints were filed by the respondents under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, in short, NI Act, wherein the petitioner was also summoned as an accused stop on the plea that the basis of all the five complaints was the same outstanding liability pursuant to a single transaction for which seven checks were issued, which bounced. The petitioner sought clubbing of the five complaints titled as Ganeshan Realtek Private Limited and another versus Renaissance Furniture Private Limited, wide applications dated 5th February 2015, which applications were dismissed by the learned trial court, while the impugned order dated 15th March 2015 stop. Hence the present petitions stop. Relevant portion of the order of the learned Metropolitan Magistrate dismissing the applications stop. I have heard the arguments of both the sides and also gone through the record carefully. Stop. It must be noted here that the checks in question, dates of their issuance, amounts of the checks in question, return memos, as well as dates of statutory legal notices and amounts claimed therein in these five matters are different. Stop. Learned counsel for the accused oblique applicant has argued that if all these five matters are clubbed together, then considerable time and effort will be saved. Stop. However, I do not find myself to be in agreement with this argument. Stop. Since the particulars of the check in question, written memos, as well as statutory legal notice involved in this case are different from particulars of the checks in question, written memos, as well as statutory legal notice involved in the order four matters, I am of the opinion that clubbing these five matters together will result in added confusion. Stop. It is also settled principle of law that dishonor of each check and subsequent non-payment of the check amount by the accused within the prescribed period, even after receipt of statutory legal notice, constitutes a separate cause of action. Stop. Since the checks in question involved in this case and in the other four matters were issued on different dates and for different amounts, and statutory notices under Section 138 NI Act were also sent separately to the accused, no useful purpose would be served by clubbing all the five matters together. Stop. I also place reliance upon the case of Gajendra Chaudhary versus State of Maharashtra 2009 this regard, wherein it has been held by the Honorable High Court of Bombay that each tender of a check and its dishonor gives rise to separate cause of action, subject to a condition that separate notices are issued in respect of each of these checks. Stop. Senja, however, in a case where checks were issued on different dates, presented on different dates, and separate notices are issued in respect of each default, the transaction cannot be held to be a single transaction, attracting provisions of Section 211 of the Code. Stop. Before this court, learned counsel for the petitioner contends that the impugned order has been passed in violation of Sections 219, 220, and 223 CRPC, which provides that when offences are committed in the course of same transaction or are so connected to form one or same transaction, they should be tried together at one trial. Stop. It is submitted that clubbing of the complaints would facilitate the speedy trial, which is the mandate of NI Act. Besides Articles 13A, 21 and 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop. The finding of the learned trial court that the checks in question, dates of their issuance, amounts of checks in question, written memos, statutory legal notices, and amounts claimed being different. Clubbing of the five matters would result in confusion, is erroneous and illegal. Stop. Reliance is placed on the decisions of this court reported as 2003 SCC Online DEL 323 Gulshan Kumar Ahuja versus Veena Sharma 2010 SCC Stop. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents contends that the power under section 482 CRPC should be issued sparingly and there being no illegality oblique perversity in the impugned order, this court will refrain from interfering with the same. Stop.